through college placements, I have got an opportunity as an automation engineer. Throughout my work experience, I thought of getting into development side because I was into developing. So after 8 months of experience, I have quit my job and I have started looking for the opportunities development side through different portals like LinkedIn and Naukri. I did not get any referrals and little to no opportunities. So after being suggested by my TPO, I have registered for a NxtWave drive. But unfortunately, I couldn't attend the drive because I was not in Hyderabad. So I felt deeply regretted that I wasted an opportunity. Then again, NxtWave approached me a second opportunity, which I thought of attending definitely because I don't want to waste this opportunity too. So I attended the drive and fortunately I grabbed the placement. Now I am placed in HighRadius as a SDE-1 with a decent package. So when I was looking for opportunities, I have applied in different portals such as LinkedIn and Naukri. But then అక్కడ స్క్రీనింగ్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే డిఫికల్టీ లెవెల్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. దే యూజువలీ హైర్ ఫ్రమ్ tier 1 and tier 2 colleges, but I am a part of tier 3 college. So initial screening లోనే they won't look at my resume. So NxtWave జాబ్ పోర్టల్స్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమంటే NxtWave వచ్చేసి టైలర్ మేడ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. సో ఐఎమ్ ప్రొఫిషియంట్ ఇన్ జావా. దే హ్యావ్ సజెస్టెడ్ మీ 2 opportunities which are related to Java only. So I felt really good about that. So my suggestion for my juniors is మీరు కాలేజ్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ లో వస్తాయని వెయిట్ చేయకోకుండా I suggest you to look for the opportunities outside as well. Then you get to know the market reality. Then you will see that what are the skills you need and what you want to possess, so that you will learn about those skills too.